Anywhere we are in Photoshop here, take the different designs to explore there. I will select the shapes, add over the shape. Let's make the changes. We will use the eraser tool here. Use a design again. It's a structure there. I will make a selection. So there it is. Make a design there. We have selected